Travis Richey served 15 months in prison for an unregistered securities transaction over 10 years ago. After his release, he decided to use his skills to reform the prison system. Now a husband and father of 4, Travis Richey is using his incarcerated experience to help reform prisons across the United States.
When I exited successfully to reentry, I realized there were so many barriers that existed that I didn't know of beforehand, and to be honest, I didn't have.
After his release, Travis built a company called Accomplished Ventures to help the incarcerated.
The support that they need is what I created with Accomplished Ventures. Real tangible steps to take them from where they are to where they know they need to be.
Travis travels to prisons all over the country to implement programs addressing communication, financial literacy, vocational training, and more.
We teach these incarcerated citizens on a daily basis. Take advantage of these opportunities. Build up your resume, invest in yourself while you're incarcerated, and when you come out, the reentry is going to be so much simpler.
In June, 10 Mile Christian and Travis are partnering together to host a conference called Convicted.
We're going to have people who are formerly incarcerated and their success stories.
The conference, open to the public, will also include breakout rooms where experts will share tools to help with mental health, parenting, and employment.
St. Luke's is going to be here with their children's medical bus giving free medical care. There's going to be a number of housing providers.
Travis says he hopes people will realize second chances are possible.
Oftentimes we forget. We believe that just because you're behind prison walls, you have to have limits. But we know that the worst prisons in society are not made of concrete and steel. They're usually the limitations that you have between your ears.
The conference is Saturday, June 4th from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. at 10 Mile Christian Church in Meridian. For more information, head to idahonews.com. Live in the studio, Ariana Piper, CBS 2 News.